So today, real quick, I'm just going to show you my planter haul that I got from Walmart. They have some really cute planters this year. So I did a pickup. I usually do a pickup because, yes, I don't like going into Walmart. I'm not a big shopper, to be honest. So I did the pickup, but then only half of them were available for pickup, thus the big box. So some of them were shipped. So let's start by opening this box. And so you can see how Walmart ships their planters because they are breakable. Some of them. This one is a terracotta. It's so cute. It's like a little star slash flower. It's called the Gemini, I think. Yeah, Gemini terracotta planter. And I got the saucer to go with it. How cute is that? And I believe it's 6 inches. No, this is a 7.8 by 7.7. So almost 8 inch. How cute is that? Okay, so besides this bigger one, it's almost 8 inches. They had the same style Gemini terracotta in the 4-inch size. I think that's so cute. Anyway, this one is a spire, another 4-incher spire terracotta. And I'm not sure if it had a saucer. I'm sure they did, and I just didn't buy them. But this one is called the Petra terracotta planter. And then I just thought these little scalloped ones were so cute. They have them in white and blue. They're also 4 inches. They're just so cute. And they have them in the bigger sizes as well. I bought the next size up, which is a 6-inch planter. I didn't buy any of the real big ones because I really don't need any big ones right now. And I'll probably kick myself later for not buying the big one. But anyway, then I got this green one. It's another Petra, but it's not terracotta, obviously. It is some sort of ceramic, but it's a 6-incher. I just like the color, and I kind of like that Petra style. And then another green that kind of goes with it is this cute little checkerboard planter. It's another 6-inch size. How cute is that? Now, all of these planters I got for like less than $10, I think. I might have paid $12.97 for one of the planters. I don't remember which one, but they were all pretty low prices, and I thought I'm not being sponsored by Walmart at all. I just wanted to show the types of planters they have because they were so cute. This is I don't know what they call it. I like to call it a bubble because it kind of looks like a bunch of bubbles squished together. It's Shinoki pink, but this is cute. Another 6-incher. And let's see, what else did I get that I haven't opened out of the box yet? Okay. Oh, another pretty blue one. Taormina blue. It says teal Southwest planter on the inside of this, but it says it's part of the Taormina collection by Better Homes and Gardens. This is so cute. I don't know. There, that's the right color. Look how cute, pretty that is. And it is, I believe it's a 6-inch size. I do believe, yeah, it's a 6-inch size. I do believe I bought one 8-inch size, and I think that is the Gemini terracotta platter, that first one I showed you. And then this. Things are so pretty, these black and white. I got 2 of them. I thought they were so pretty. I just ordered 2. I had to get 2. I couldn't just stop with one. Now, they had some more that just looked exactly like this style. It was white with the black kind of engraved pictures on it, but they were black butterflies, and it was so cute. But they were out of stock already. So if you, which I was really bummed about, if you like any of this stuff, I highly suggest going out and going to your local Walmart and getting them before they sell out of them. The Gemini terracotta is just too cute. And the scallops, checkerboard, I just love them all. So now I just gotta have some plants to fill them all, which I have because I have the plants that I put together in the Christmas fairy garden, they now have to go in their own individual pots. And I also went and got some more house plants. So you guys will see that tomorrow on plants that are safe to be around cats and dogs. House plants that are safe. Anyway, thanks for watching. And until next time, feed the pollinators for me.